Hey friends, a lot of users may want to disable the built-in cameras. Now, why would they want to disable the built-in camera? The reason is that a lot of hackers can take access of your camera and then start recording and switch off the lights and you wouldn't even know about it. So here's what you can do. Right click on the start button, select settings, go to Bluetooth and devices, and then you can scroll down and select cameras. It will show all the connected cameras. Click on this and select disable and then click on yes. And another thing that I advise you to do is search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Okay, and then you can expand the list for cameras here. You'll find the attached cameras, right click on them and select disable device. Okay, and once it is disabled, you'll notice that there is no video here. So do both of them, not just one of them. Try doing both of them. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.